Australia joins global F-35A fighters with Joint Strike Missile Adoption, in short JSM. Australia is following the lead of allies Norway, Japan, and the US in adopting the F-35A. The Joint Strike Missile, JSM, enhances the capabilities of the Air Force's long-range strike options. Australia has selected this as the Air Force's future long-range, air launch capability for its 60 active F-35A Lightning II fighter jets. The JSM will be tested with the U.S. Air Force's F-35A Joint Strike Fighters in upcoming exercises. This strategic move showcases Australia's commitment to advanced military technologies and partnerships. Subscribe to our channel for such interesting news and insights.